Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download GitHub and install GitHub in our Windows 11. So first of all, for this case I have to go to the browsing Git, enter here the Git site. So first of all we have to know what is the definition or why we will use the Git. So Git is a DevOps tool for source code management and open source version control system used to handle small to very large projects efficiently. It is used to tracking changes in the source code, supporting nonlinear development so that multiple developers can work together in near real time. Now here the Git web page. So first of all, download is the version, updated version. As far I know, my laptop is 64-bit. That's why I download 64-bit. See, it's downloaded. Now I exit this program. Yes. Here is the agreement. No need to sign in any options, and we'll click next button. Next. No. Yes. Here I have lots of options. No need to press anywhere. Just click on the embedded system. So before that, we will see the 2.43.0 setup version and finish. If we click control panel, programs, then check for the version here, 2.43.0 version. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.